This lesson is on double-digit subtraction. Double-digit subtraction is when you're subtracting using a number that has 2 digits. If you look at this problem here, is 37 minus 6. The top number has, if you remember your place value, a tens place. The 3 would be in the tens place, and a ones place. Now let's try to solve the problem first using this picture over here. I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our picture matches our problem over here. Now what I'm going to do to the picture, since we're taking 6 away, is X out 6 ones. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of my ones away and see what I have left over. Well, I have 10, 20, 30, 31. Now let's go back to our problem over here. Remember I said there's a tens place and a ones place. When you're subtracting double-digit numbers, you always want to start in the ones place and you want to stay within that column. So we're going to start over here and we're only going to look over here. We're not going to look in the tens place yet. That'll come in a minute. So the first thing we want to do is minus 6 from 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. And you want to make sure you put your answer right underneath that ones place. Now when we're done with the ones, we're going to move over to the tens place. We have 3 minus nothing, which is the same as 3 minus 0. That equals 3. And we're right because our answer here matches our answer with our picture. Let's try another problem. Here we have 47 minus 10, and I'm going to draw a line down the middle so we remember our tens place and our ones place. Let's look over here at our picture. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, minus 10. So since we're taking 10 away, we don't need to go into the ones. We just need to take a full block of 10 away. I'm going to X that out right here and see what we have left over. We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 37. Let's look back at our problem. We're going to start in the ones place first, and I'm going to put an O for ones and a T for tens so we remember our places. Now remember, when we're doing the ones, we stay in the ones. We start with 7 minus 0, which would be 7, and then we move to the tens place and we see that 4 minus 1 is 3. Our answers match up. We know we did it right. Let's try another one. This is 23 minus 13. I'm going to put my T over here for my tens and an O over here for my ones. And look at our problem we're going to solve over in the picture. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23 minus 10, 11, 12, 13. So we need to take 13 away from this first picture. So I'll take 10, 11, 12, 13, and all I have left over is 10. Let's move back to our problem. Remember, we're going to start in the ones place. 3 minus 3 is 0, and 2 minus 1 is 1. We are right, our answer is 10. Let's try some more without the picture. We have our line down the middle. Here's our tens place and our ones place. We start in the ones place. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Our answer is 33. When we look at 43 minus 32, we have our tens place and our ones place. We start in the ones. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So our answer is 11. Let's look at this last one right here without drawing our line and our tens and our ones. We're going to start on the right side and do 9 minus 0. That's 9. And then 7 minus 4 is 3. Our answer is 39. That concludes our lesson today on double-digit subtraction.